Matagumpay ang sinagawang symposium ng mga tauhan ng Regional Police Community Affairs and Development Unit 2 sa ilalim ng pamumuno ni Police Captain Rubian J. Versida, Officer in Charge na may temang Cyberspace Safe, Street Safe Through Awareness Campaign sa University of Cagayan Valley, Tuguegarao City, Cagayan, kahapon ika-16 ng Setyembre taong kasalukuyan. Aktibong nakilahok ang mga estudyante ng College of Criminology kasama ang kanilang mga guro at faculty staff. Nagbahagi ng makabuluhang talakayan si Police Lieutenant Pablo Birong Jr. ng ITMS-2 tungkol sa cybercrime awareness at si Intelligence Officer 2 Rovina Litawa ng PIDEA Cagayan na nagbahagi rin ng kaalaman tungkol sa anti-illegal drugs awareness.
We at the RPCADU aims to empower students and the community by conducting information dissemination in various schools and universities with the end goal of promoting safety and security, eliminating the incidents of crime. To fulfill our goal, we have initially conducted a symposium at University of Cagayan Valley with the theme Cyberspace Safe, Street Safe Through Awareness Campaign. We also coordinated and collaborated with other units to ensure that the lecturers are the subject matter experts so that the topic that they will discuss will be delivered clearly and they can address the queries of the target audience proficiently. I would like to thank the lecturers who contributed in the success of the activity. This symposium was successful, thus we are looking forward to continue this kind of activity targeting other schools and universities.
Sa pamamagitan ng programang ito, muling pinagtibay ng PNP na ang kaligtasan at kinabukasan ng mga estudyante na nakasalalay sa pagkakaisa ng komunidad, isang hakbang tungo sa mas ligtas at mas liwanag na bukas para sa bagong Pilipinas.
Mula dito sa lambak ng Cagayan, ako ang